So here's how to turn off a VPN in Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, you want to right click on the start button and then go to settings. And now you want to go to network and internet. And then you want to go to the VPN section. And if you have any VPN connections in this list, you want to remove them from here. And also turn off allow VPN over metered networks and allow VPN while roaming. Make sure both of these options are turned off. Then you want to go to the proxy menu, and if you have a proxy set up in here, you want to disable it as well. So you can simply turn off use a proxy server and use setup scripts. And you can also turn off automatically detect settings if you want to use them manually. Otherwise, keep it on if you want it to detect the settings automatically. Now you want to go back, and then you can close this and check if that solved the issue and turn the VPN off. Now, if you're still having an issue with the VPN and it's not disconnecting, what you can do is open the task manager and manually look for the VPN here and end task or close it. Alternatively, what you can do is right click on the settings start button or click on it and search for reset network or network reset, and then click on the network reset option. Now you want to click on reset now and click on yes to confirm and reset the network. And that should reset your network to the default settings and turn off the VPN. That's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.